Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Pivotal Metals Managing Director Ivan Fairhall. Ivan, you've discovered a substantial untested conductor below the high-grade Alotta deposit. Can you start by talking us through how you found it and what you know so far?
That's right, Tyler. Really exciting news out today. We've been doing EM across our properties in the Belterre area. There's a big land package, 100% owned, very prospective area. And Alotta was one of the standout discoveries that had been made previously on this. We're talking about intersections on Alotta, 24 metres at 2.3% copper, 1.2% nickel, 2 grams a tonne of PGEs. So individual samples, like this is very high grade mineralisation in this area, 24% copper, 20 grams a tonne PGM. So really fantastic stuff. And so what we've done is we've done a survey, a deeper, newer version of an EM survey called Fixed Loop surveys that allows you to look deeply, and we've found a really exciting conductor directly below that high grade mineralisation. It extends to 150 metres. It's almost completely undrilled, and the best bit is the conductor is actually still open. There was some summer constraints on where we could complete our survey, and so we're looking to continue to grow this conductor as we can collect more data. So this is a really exciting development for the project.
And given the exciting grades here, how was this missed previously?
That's a really interesting point, actually. So the conductor orientation versus the existing drilling, it suggests that drilling was all being done really in the wrong direction to intersect this conductor. So it was good for the mineralisation that had been found up dip, which is clearly at a slightly different orientation based on where it was intersected. But when you look at the conductor plane, you look at all the drilling, and it was drilling sort of down parallel in front and behind. Yeah, it's really interesting that the drilling has not intersected this conductor. There's actually only one hole that did, and that in return 7 metres at 1% copper, 2% nickel, 2 grams a tonne PGEs, and it correlates very well with that conductor. It just glanced it. And so, and below that, it's open space for 100 metres of conductor, 150 metres, I should say, of conductor. And so, if we can extend these grades down that, then this is a really exciting development.
And there seems to be a cluster of deposits. Are they related?
Yeah, well, this is where it gets interesting as you start to think bigger picture about the opportunity here at the Belterre. This Alotta forms part of kind of a 5-kilometre belt of high-grade mineralisation that's been established at surface, and from what we call La Croche down to Zullo. And you think about it kind of like a string of pearls. And these deposits, in almost all likelihood, are from the same magmatic mineralising event. They're all related. And what we're looking for is the plumbing pathway, the source of this significant regional scale mineralizing event, and a conductor that extends down below takes us in that direction. So is this the plumbing pathway we're looking for? And are we able to link up this and find a bigger accumulation of massive sulfides at depth? Then that's where it really gets exciting. You really start to build out a regional scale opportunity here.
When might we expect drilling, and is there anything else that investors should keep an eye out for from Pivotal?
Well, yeah, we're really busy. We're really active on the project. We'll be, like I explained, this conductor can still grow, so we'll be following up that survey. We're looking to grow the conductor. We tend to be drilling it late this quarter, and along with a number of other priority exploration targets that we've defined, people can go and have a look at our previous announcements. And this is now part of a suite of really well-defined conductors that are undrilled and ready to make new discovery. And so not just on the copper space, but we've also got a bonanza grade gold target. We're doing more work on that, more surveys, and then look to drill that as well. So pretty active on what is a really exciting new exploration area for the company.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like exciting times ahead. Ivan, thanks for your time today.
Thanks a lot.